Hi Gurmal. I've just checked and yeah, 95 valid pages in Google Search Console. So that's looking good. So that would be most of the location pages. If I type in Scenic Gems, best free things to do Uluru, I can see there it's come up, which is great. But having a quick look, if I type in another one of the pages, which is Darwin, I'm not seeing Scenic Gems come up there on the first page. I would expect it to come up on the first page because I'm typing in Scenic Gems as the search term, just like Uluru. Still not seeing it on the second page. The same is this. It's the same for West Macdonald Ranges, which is another page. So once again, not seeing Scenic Gems on the first or the second page. So I would expect those to both be on those first two pages. So while I understand that this is valid, I'm not understanding why it's not coming up in a Google search result. If you could let me know, that'd be great. All right, talk to you soon. Thanks, Gurmal. Cheers.